Welcome back to LeetCoder. Today we're diving into one of the most essential data structures in programming, arrays. We'll explore their key features, learn common operations, and solve a basic LeetCode problem step by step. Let's get started. Arrays are fast when it comes to accessing elements, and they're easy to loop through, which makes them a foundational data structure for solving problems efficiently. You'll see arrays in a wide range of programming challenges, from sorting and searching to more complex tasks. Here are some common array operations: accessing elements by index, adding or removing elements, sorting, and searching. Each of these is useful depending on the problem you're solving. Now I'm going to walk you through an example LeetCode problem using arrays. The task is to find the maximum number in an array. Here's how we can approach the problem. We start by assuming the first element is the maximum. Then we iterate through the rest of the array, updating the maximum whenever we find a larger number. Finally, we return the maximum value. Arrays are incredibly versatile and foundational to programming. Knowing how to use them and their common operations will set you up for success in coding interviews. Next in this video series, we'll take arrays to the next level by introducing hash maps, which can optimize solutions to many array-based problems. Don't miss it.